Now.
Hey guys, it's me, Madison. Today is one of my favorite days. We've never done this before, but we're gonna be making pizza, homemade pizza. We got all our ingredients here. We have our pizza crust. We have our cookbook, our spatula thing, and pepperoni, and some cheese, and the good sauce. We need it. And our frying pan, I think.
Yeah, frying pan for the air fryer.
Yeah, we just got a new air fryer.
Yeah.
And we got some hot water over here.
Yeah. So, Madison,
And this is how it's supposed to look, guys.
Mmm.
It looks delicious.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. So, this is what we're gonna do. We have to open up the pizza crust.
Yes.
So, are you gonna pour it in the pan?
Yep. This?
Yeah.
Oh, that's in the air fryer.
Yeah, we're gonna pour it in the pan.
All of it?
Yeah, pour it all in there.
Oh, all of it?
Yes.
Oh. Well, we can always get another pack so we can do this again. Okay, whoa, how much like ice cream?
Is it all in there?
Yep.
Okay. You got that. Put that there.
Ooh, can I?
Yeah, you need to chop it up a little bit.
Ah, okay, good.
There you go.
Chop it up.
Chop it up. Oh, good job. Good job chopping it up. There you go. Stir it up a little bit.
Ew, it kind of looks disgusting a little. Kind of like milk. Oh, now it's starting to get all wonky.
Let me help a little bit.
That's so easy for you. Whoa, it's like you don't even see the water anymore.
I know.
You can smell it. It smells good. Smells just like when we were baking pancakes. But it didn't successfully look the way you wanted it. But I thought they were good. Really good. They taste different, but in a good way. I think they're better than the regular ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try to knead it. Let's put a little bit more warm water in there. Just a little bit.
No?
I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit more.
Ooh, it feels so soft. Wow. Daddy, you have to feel it. Maybe you have to wash your hands.
Yep.
Ooh. You guys would love to feel this.
Homemade pizza.
Homemade pizza.
Yeah.
Cooking with Maddie.
Cooking with Maddie.
The Cooking with Maddie show.
Homemade pizza. But we're gonna do it inside the air fryer, so that's something new and different.
Woo!
All right, so.
Doesn't it feel good, Daddy? Let me try to mix some more.
All right, let me put it all in here. Get all the dough. Let's make sure it's all together.
Now I'm gonna mix.
Put this down. Hold on.
Oh, stretch it.
All right, I want to get some more of this dough right here. Just more of the powder in here.
Lots of powder. The powder.
Okay, let's get it all.
Ew, so squishy, guys.
Okay.
Because it looks nice and
So what you gotta do, you gotta knead it.
Oh, like that? Oh,
Yeah. Now I'm gonna get the cutting board.
Like this?
So you're gonna push it on the cutting board.
Okay, so now I just squish it on.
Yeah, push it down. Press it down. Press it down. Press it down.
Spread it? Yeah, I think I spread
Now,
it.
yeah, just press it down with the palm of your hand. There you go. Yeah, we'll push it out here a little more.
I think I need stools on better.
All right, there you go.
See, it told just better from up here. Then I can knead it better.
Okay.
It like makes some hand marks.
All right, it's okay. So I think we've got enough. Yeah, I think we're good to go. I'll move this. Make sure sure our pan is nice and dry here. Pan is nice and dry. Woo! Okay, so let's place it
I was glitching in the thing.
Let's place it in the center of the pan.
Okay.
Right here. Yeah. Press it down, then I'm gonna help.
Press it down.
Press it down. There you go. Let me help you press it down.
It has to be nice and even like this.
We're gonna spread it out even more. So we're gonna push down on the ends.
Gotta
We're gonna
push
down on the
Make sure they're
ends.
nice and good.
We're gonna push out much as we can.
Yep, I think this is pretty much as a pizza thing, but it might need to be bigger though. I think it should be
doesn't have
about.
to be really big. We wanna make it kind of thin. So we're gonna stretch a little bit.
Stretch.
And
Don't
make it a
break
little
it.
thin. Hold on, don't break it. I got you. Let me push that out of there.
Push, push.
Push, push,
You might
push.
get spread a
We
little.
don't want to tear it. So
Nope.
let me help push. There you go. Take it down.
What are we gonna do while it's baking?
I'll tell you what we are going to do.
What?
We're going to preheat the air fryer.
And then put it in?
Yeah, we want to get that
And
going.
what are we gonna do while we put it in? That's what I mean.
We're going to put the oven on 400. Put it on air fry. Put it on pizza bake. We're going to heat it up. What does the book say? 400 degrees. A little bit by little bit. Up.
That was funny.
I know.
Now this time I'm gonna do it like this. Up.
And we're gonna come this way. Now.
Whoa!
Oh, put a hole in it.
Oh,
Uh-oh, don't tell anybody. I fixed it. I fixed it. Alright, so now we have our dough. So now, marinara sauce.
banana sauce.
So, I'm gonna put some on here, but I need you to use a spoon to spread it around for me. Okay? Alright, here we go. Alright, spread that around and see what happens. Not all the way to the edge. Just leave a little white ring around.
Like that?
Let's put some more. Madison. Like that. I like the way this looking. So spread it around for me.
Smells so good.
Smells good?
Yep, smells like real pizza.
Okay. I
We're
like-
the chefs.
Let me see that.
The great chefs in town we knew.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be alright, right?
Oh, and we work at Domino's or Pizza Hut or Papa John's. What are you
Hey,
doing,
Mackenzie.
Boo?
My two daughters, my other daughter.
I really want to lick it off.
Oh no.
Can we do it from the spoon?
Not right now. You gotta wait, sweetheart. I think that's
Really
enough
wanna lick it.
marinara.
Yep. Pretty sure that's enough marinara. Do you guys agree?
Yeah, I think so.
You guys can't really see how it looks, but
They
you
can
can
see.
see the top. But we can see really close.
So here we go. I'm just gonna shake it on there.
Okay, I'm just gonna shake the cheese on. May we spread it with a spoon?
Nah, we don't need to spread it with a spoon. It's gonna melt. It's gonna melt down.
So it's gonna spread everywhere by itself.
Yeah, it's gonna melt down.
I really want to eat it. Can I eat some cheese?
Get one little small piece. There you go.
Oh, I really want to eat it. It's not edible like that.
Let's wait for them to cook.
I don't want one.
Here. They need to cook, Madison.
They taste different.
Yeah? Right, let's put a couple more pepperonis on there and we'll be ready for the oven.
What if you put it like in a circle and you put one in the middle? Like that. That's pretty good.
I like
So
that.
good. Dun dun dun!
Bam! All right, so let's get you down off the chair. All right.
Stool.
And stool.
The
And
stool.
we
Dun,
still,
dun, dun.
we're gonna go right into the air fryer. And this is hot. This is for adults. So let's be safe. Hold this for me. It's not hot. I want to make sure we use the best safety measures that we can. So you always want the adult to use the oven, okay? Thank you. She's really good, guys.
I open it?
Oh no, let's let the adults do that. It's hot. So now we want to set the timer
Now we
for
got
15 minutes.
pizza inside.
Alexa, set alarm for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
And guys, we had so much fun. And I love this cheese. And the ingredients, the mostly, well, Daddy said Walmart. I know where he got the book, but this spatula came with the Elsa little baking thing that goes around you, so your outfit doesn't get dirty. But I knew mine wasn't. And I'm a good kid. Spaghetti-o. Spaghetti-os.
That's too much. That's too much cheese. What other ingredients are in there? The mozzarella cheese and what else? What other ingredients are in the pizza? Tell everybody all the ingredients from the pizza.
We got the pizza crust dough and pepperonis and basically you see the cheese. And we got the two things of water. And you guys see the pizza in the oven. It looks really good, my guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell down below. And we can't wait until you come back with us later on to check on the pizza over here. That pizza right there. That looks delicious, right guys? Especially these right here.
All right, guys, we got the final product here. Madison, how does it taste?
Really good.
And there's a pepperoni right there.
You can make this at home too, guys. Look at me. You can see Mackenzie running around.
All right, man. So we made homemade pizza on my two daughters. Mozzarella cheese, marinara sauce, pepperonis, and the dough. Y'all saw we made the dough.
Cheese.
And the cheese. We put it all together inside of the air fryer. And voila! Homemade pizza in your air fryer. That's right. Well, we gotta go. See you next time.
Cheers. Pose. Thanks for watching my channel. See you next time, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.